ENPAC 4-drum hardcovers are a sturdy, ideal solution for the storage of 55-gallon drums. The roll-top doors are accessible from both sides, providing quick and easy access to the containment area. With a large opening, loading is simple using a forklift or loading ramp. During use, sufficient vertical space allows for continued dispensing with drum pumps and funnels. The ENPAC spill pallet base collects drips, leaks, and spills in the fully compliant sump, while the removable grates provide access to spilled liquids. 4-drum hardcovers are lockable to secure contents, and their polyethylene construction is both weatherproof and chemically resistant. For efficient shipping, hardcovers arrive knocked down, and assembly is easily completed within minutes. For a long-term solution to your indoor and outdoor containment needs, choose the ENPAC 4-drum hardcover.